Electronic lock charging cabinet. No need for key to unlock. MPC P20C can charge 20 mobile phones or 10 tablets. MPC C10C65E can charge 10 tablets or laptops. The feature of these two models is the use of electronic locks instead of keys to unlock. Can set password to unlock and use RFID card to unlock. Can integrate existing customer RFID cards into the electronic lock system. For example, the RFID card used by some schools can also be integrated, one card for multiple uses. When a large number of charging cabinets are used in different locations, such as classroom BYOD, the integrated RFID card electronic lock makes it easy for users to unlock without carrying a large number of keys. MPC P20C provides 20 USB-C ports, power is 45W, with LED indicator light. The upper and lower 10 charging positions are for charging 20 mobile phones. When needed, the interval can be easily removed to become 10 tablets for charging. Flexibly adjust according to the user's use of electronic devices. MPC C10C65E provides 10 USB-C ports, power is 65W, with LED indicator light. Due to the larger size, in addition to tablets, you can also choose to charge laptops that support USB-C.